Hello and welcome back. So today I am going on a little adventure. My family and I bought a new bike and I've been living in Holland for almost 6 years now and I've yet to make the bike a part of my lifestyle. So I thought I'd make a vlog of me driving to the climbing gym. I've been meaning to climb, so I'm taking quite a long journey on an electric bike to the climbing gym. However, the challenge of today is to make a cinematic style vlog with only the use of my Action 4 camera. So I think it's going to be interesting. I definitely don't think all parts are going to be cinematic, but for the most part, I intend to get some cinematic footage.
Eyewitness News, where news comes first.
2 to 5.
Watch the heart rate, pal. Your anxiety premium is killing you.
I am a leaf on the wind. I am 99 cents.
There it is.
Zen discount. Buy now or get delisted.
Is there such thing as insanity among penguins? I try to avoid a definition of insanity or derangement. I don't mean that a penguin might believe he or she is Lenin or Napoleon Bonaparte.
But could they just go crazy because they've had enough of their colony?
Well, I've never seen a penguin bashing its head against a rock. They do get disoriented. They end up in places they shouldn't be, long way from the ocean.
Don't betray the node, Larry. I need this double shot. Dave, look at my spreadsheet. Mutual benefit. We both hit brew. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Already I can see it would have been much better if I used another thing for the camera, so that is noted for next time. Should be about a half an hour drive to get there, and we'll see how it goes. Some really nice houses over here. Definitely a very wealthy area. Lots of villas and castle-like houses with moats around them. And what's cool is when I'm on the bike, I can kind of also scout for locations that I could film at. So that's always really cool. Never been in this area before. So I made it to the climbing gym. It was, I think, a 12-kilometer ride. The bike went smooth. There was a couple of hiccups along the way with roadworks. But we are here, excited to climb. It's my first time climbing in, I want to say, a couple months. So I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fun climbing again, but what's even more fun is trying to get something usable from this setup that I have. Having only an action cam with a wild field of view gives me not many options, and since I don't really have a tripod, I can't get too creative with close-ups and things, but finding some nice use of shadows here, so that's something that you can always practice with. And for the most part, enjoying the climbing. Limiting your tools definitely gives you an enhanced capability of using the tools you have, I guess. I don't know if that's the right way of saying it. Okay, so I just finished up my climbing session. Gonna head back home. And as one usually does, I bought, since I haven't been climbing in a while, bought a bunch of gear. Finger warm-up thing and a forearm trainer. So that's interesting. Yeah, but overall, enjoyed the climbing session, so I'll be doing this more often. And also I enjoyed the challenge of only using my GoPro, my DJI action cam, because I need to see the footage, but I think the footage was not bad at all. So that'll be surprising just to check. And then maybe the next challenge is like a vlog with my phone, only my phone. But yeah, that's where I'm at now. And I'm gonna head back home and edit this bad boy. And I'll see you guys on the next one.